guys, I just got back from Tesla Service Center and I just picked up some new parts that I ordered from them. I want to show you what I got. So, these are Swaybars from a P85 Plus. I don't have a P85 Plus, I have a P85, but when I asked the service center if they would order me Swaybars for a P85 Plus, they said, okay, no problem. We can't install them for you, but we'll order them for you, and good luck with that. They're about 200 and, well, I think one's like 180 or something, and then the other one is like 220 or something. So that's front and rear. And then while I was there, I also ordered, which they gave me in a nice Tesla swag bag, black center caps, silver center caps, black lug nuts, silver lug nut covers, and that was $22 per set. So a set is all of the lug nut covers and then all of the center caps. I also picked up, this just came in the mail, some LED lights for my license plate. So the new Teslas come with a bright, no, don't push the button. You're gonna have it hit us in the head.
Yeah.
You know, don't push the button. They come with a bright white, and the older ones, like my P85, has a yellow, and I prefer the bright white that the newer ones have, so that's why I got new ones of those. Okay, now you can push the button. Do it?
Yeah.
Do it. Push it. Woo! What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the car is dirty right now. The pine trees are letting out their yearly pine tree jizz, I would say. So it makes everything ugly around here. My other car's even worse. So you wouldn't believe it, but I washed this yesterday, and that's what happened overnight. So that's pretty crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna be installing those myself. Stay tuned for future videos with probably a lot of cursing in them. I don't think that's gonna be very fun. For the rear one, apparently you need to drop the drive unit. The Tesla service guys were like, maybe you can feed it through, I'm not sure. They don't know if they've ever tried. They usually just drop it. So I'm gonna see about that. And yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.